We're making every touch point effortless, so the human connection, not the tech, takes center stage. Let's start with your sales associate, the most critical person in the store next to your customer. With Scanner, we transform your associate from a cashier into a consultant. They can now check inventory levels, confirm prices, and look up products without ever leaving the customer's side. When the customer is ready to buy, we have to rethink how they pay. Traditionally, forcing a customer to walk a specific counter creates a physical barrier to closing the sale. So we introduced Scanner to serve as a mobile POS system. Now, your team can accept digital wallet, contactless payments, and even on-account payments right on the spot, wherever the conversation is happening. Of course, serving customers isn't just about selling products. If you offer services like tailoring or bike repairs, you're likely juggling two worlds: a paper logbook for tracking jobs and a POS for tracking sales. This toggle tax creates chaos. Lightspeed's services module fixes that. You can now intake and deliver both retail sales and services in one place. We've added a create a service page outside the sales screen so staff can manage work orders without tying up the register. And with the upcoming internal and external notes, technicians get private details while customers get clean, clear updates. Retailers often struggle to connect their online and offline shoppers, missing opportunities to turn a one-time walk-in into a loyal customer. We bridge that gap with Omni Reviews and Rewards, connecting your customers' online to offline journeys. We're also launching Ship from Store, so your stores don't just sell, they ship. Every location becomes a fulfillment hub, helping you move inventory efficiently and deliver to customers faster. Now, all these moments of delight rely on data you can trust. Nothing breaks a promise to a customer faster than ghost inventory. The system says an item is stock, but the shelf is empty because unfulfilled orders are skewing your numbers. We're fixing this with inventory states. This gives you total clarity by separating what is actually available to sell versus what is physically on the shelf awaiting pickup. Last but not least, we're tackling one of the biggest time drains in the back office. Receiving stock usually means hours of typing and plenty of mistakes, but not anymore. We're launching automated receiving via optical character recognition, or OCR. Simply take a photo of a packaging slip, and our AI reads the document, matches it, and updates your inventory. All of these features streamline your operations. However, we recognize one final hurdle: the liquidity gap. Great retail experiences need investment: inventory, upgrades, staffing. But banks can often be slow. With Lightspeed Capital, you can get fast, flexible funding right inside your POS. No lengthy paperwork, just funding in minutes. By combining these tools from the sales floor to the back office, fueled by flexible capital, you create a store that truly delights.